Good morning, everyone. I really appreciate the opportunity to be here today. We want to just kind of put it to the rubber meets the road here. I want to talk about some implementations that we have done and open source within our in-building digital network portfolio that have actually, we embraced openness many years ago. And so we've been in this space in the indoor. I'm going to focus today talking a little bit about indoor. We do cover all gamuts of infrastructure for the RAN network. But today's discussion will be just quickly about indoor. Number one, we have had, the pillars that we stand by today in what we call our Intelligent Cellular Networks group within Commscope focuses on O-RAN and hugely on sustainability as well as convergence. And those things, I think, go hand in hand with everything I've been hearing for the last day and a half has been fantastic and fits right in with what we're doing. We basically have three platforms, but they're all sort of converging as we speak. Our Era digital platform goes way back, and we actually started with an open arms approach with this platform as far back as 2012, when we introduced our first CPRI direct digital interface to our Era platform. And this was really focused on sustainability. I'll talk in a minute about how much space savings, energy savings, power savings, and I've been hearing a lot of talk about that, today and yesterday as well. And then we through acquisition, picked up our small cell RAN platform, in which there's been huge collaboration with Small Cell Forum, as Prabhakar said, for many years. And now, obviously, of course, with O-RAN, we embrace the O-RAN approach with this. And to the point where with OneCell, we actually started out with our 5G development of that 4G platform, totally virtualized day one, with nothing but software, CUDU operating on an off-the-shelf COTS hardware with no accelerators. And then, of course, we have our Ruckus Wi-Fi solution, which is a part of our unique story in that we can bring not only the infrastructure, but all of it together, but all based around open source management with this. Just an example here, this diagram shows you that all the stuff in the middle, you don't have to have anymore in a venue when you're providing indoor in-building RAN because of this direct digital interface and huge sustainability benefits to this type of platform. Not only that, but it is low power, medium power, high power, and can be also providing as many as 10 bands in a single remote, all fed with open source interface today. We've now taken it to the next step, and what we're doing is we are basically converging these platforms together to where we're taking our FPGA technology from the OneCell side and merging it over into the Era platform, and we're taking the virtualized open source approach from the virtualized 5G with OneCell and bringing it back into the Era platform to where they combine to end up being a single platform at some point down the road. What does that mean? We just introduced the O-RAN card for Era, which actually lets an OEM connect directly a DU directly to the platform. So now we can have a distributed antenna system that is fed directly by multiple OEMs, into the platform. So we're really that open interface to a RAN distribution network out there that can accommodate both everything from indoor, outdoor, private, public, all on a single platform that's all fed with open source O-RAN approach. So that's really what we've been focused on, putting it to real use, and there is real savings and sustainability and benefits to that open source collaboration, and Commscope certainly is embracing that in a big way with this community, and thanks again for allowing us to come in and give you a brief overview of that. So, yeah.